Good morning, class 2. Welcome to your GK class. Today I will take chapter 19 of your book. Children, so you all know this is your GK book, right? This is your GK book. Open your book at page number 29. Open your book at page number 29. We will do this chapter. This is chapter 9, Around the World. Okay, so we learn about some beautiful and very famous monument of the world. Okay, so the name of the chapter is Around the World. And children, you all know that we have done this yesterday. I think you have written all this and completed your work, right? You have done it? Okay, fine. Then we'll start the new chapter, that is chapter 19, Around the World. Page number is 29. So in this page we can see few pictures. So we will see what are these. Okay, what we have to do? Take a pencil in your hand. What is shown in the picture? Which country is it in? Now what we have to do? We have to see the picture and identify what is the picture. Okay, we have to identify the picture and then we have to write where we have to write the location where are these important monuments are located. Okay, these are very famous monument of the world, right? So these are also known as the wonder of the world. When you know there are 7 wonders in the world, so among them these 4 are among the 7 wonders of the world. Okay, so here for your help you can see the name of the monuments here with the places where they are located. But what you have to do, you have to select the name here, identify the thing. What is this? I think most of you have visited Eco Park, right? There you can see this. Isn't it? Replica of this are made in Eco Park, isn't it? So by looking at this, most of you can find out, because I know that all of you must have visited Eco Park, right? See this one. Now read what is given below. A king named Khufu was buried here. A king whose name was Khufu. Now the king was from Egypt. Okay, so a king named Khufu was buried here. So they used to, in the ancient Egyptian civilization, what happened? The Egyptian people, they used to bury their dead body. Okay, and then they used to make a pyramid over there. So what is this? What is the name of this place where they have buried the name, the king, their king named Khufu? Okay, so we'll find from down which place is this. See, the places given here is like Eiffel Tower, Pyramid of Khufu, then Statue of Liberty or the Great Wall. What is this? This is Pyramid of Khufu. So you will write one here and name of the place you will write Pyramid, Pyramid, Pyramid of Khufu, Khufu. This is called pyramid. So Pyramid of Khufu, this is a pyramid. Okay, now here also you can write number 1 Pyramid of Khufu. Now where it is located, name of the place where you will find when you will go to visit the world, where you will find this place. So here see Egypt, Egypt, it is located in Egypt. So you will write Egypt, Egypt, Egypt. Okay, here also I have written one. Egypt means name of the place and this is the monument's name. Okay, then we'll come to this one. This is a very long wall. Okay, this is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay, this is known as the Great Wall of China. Where it is located? China. So this is known as Great Wall. Okay, so let us see it is given down or not. Yes, it is given number 2 Great Wall, and where it is located? It is located in China. So you write here Great, Great, Great Wall, 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 and below you write China, China, because means this place it is known as Great Wall. Okay, and where it is located? China, China, China. And here also you can mark China number 2 and then Great Wall number 2. Means name of the place is, this name of the place is Great Wall and it is located, where it is located, the name of the place is China. Okay, then we'll come to this. This is also very famous. Okay, so which place is this? This is Eiffel Tower. Okay, where it is? Now you write down. This is Eiffel Tower. Write down with me. Eiffel. Eiffel. Tower. Eiffel Tower. Okay, what is this? This is Eiffel Tower. You can see it is a very long tower. You can see here it is a very long. See, such a long tower. Okay. Okay, where is Eiffel Tower located? It is located in where? It is located in France. So write down France, France. So Eiffel Tower is number 3 and France is also number 3. Here you can write Eiffel Tower number 3 and France is number 3, right? Where is Eiffel Tower located? It is located in France. So beautiful. Then the last one, this is the last one. This is known as Statue of Liberty, and below what it is written, say for Eiffel Tower, it is nicknamed as Iron Lady. It is nicknamed as Iron Lady for Eiffel Tower. It is written here, Iron Lady. Okay, it is nicknamed. Now next one, number 4 we will discuss is a gift from France. What is this? This is a gift from France. To whom? It is a gift of friendship from France to the people of USA. So it is known as Statue of Liberty. So you will write down statue, STATUE, Statue of Liberty, 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 Statue of Liberty. Where it is located? It is located in USA. USA means United States of America. So number 4 you will write here. See, number 4. So it is number 4, USA and Statue of Liberty. Here also we can write Statue of Liberty number 4, and where it is located? It is located in USA. So this is number 4. Statue of Liberty is number 4. Statue of Liberty, USA. Okay. So here what we have done, we have written USA down, and then Statue of Liberty is the name of this monument. It is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. So here in this chapter we have learned about 4 of them, right? 4 of them. This is the Great Pyramid of Egypt, then Great Wall of China. This is what? This is Eiffel Tower, and this is Statue of Liberty. Okay, this is also called a gift from France because this was a gift given to USA. It was a gift of friendship from the people of France to USA. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to learn the name of these places. Okay, where is the Great Pyramid of China? Where is the Great Pyramid located? So it is located, the Pyramid of Khufu is located. So Pyramid of Khufu is located in Egypt. Okay, where is Great Wall? So the Great Wall is located in China. Okay, what is the nickname of Eiffel Tower? Iron Lady. This way you have to prepare this for the exam. So we have done this chapter, that is chapter number 19, right? So I don't think you will find any confusion here. Once again I am showing this to you. Okay, so we have completed chapter 18, chapter 18 and chapter 19 also. Chapter 18 we have completed in the previous class, and today we are done with chapter number 19. Okay, prepare well for the half year exam. Thank you.